We're at North County Indian Motorcycles, and today we're looking at a 2017 Indian Scout in Ivory Cream. Has the nice tall tinted windshield and smoke. Crusher exhaust. Viking saddlebags. And a passenger seat that matches the rider's seat. We also have a small tank bag that your phone will fit in and has a nice clear cover so that you can see the screen on your phone. Really nice for directions. Key is on the side, and we have the old school Indian head key. And miles are 8,512. Again, we're at North County Indian Motorcycles, and we are open for test rides 6 days a week.